is how you can get the fire tool, which I have right here in Silencing Simulator. So first, you can get any bow you want. I would recommend the speedbow. That's my opinion, but you can choose yours however you want. I'm just waiting for these guys. Okay, now that I got my bow, you're gonna have to find a to find a map with the campfire on it. You see that? Right there? Hold on. See that right there? See that? Island like this. Has to be an island like this. And you see that little campfire right there? You have to hold it and then, or you can talk to the guy and then you can get it. So, and it's called pirate. No, it's not called pirate. No, it's Firelight Bay. I'm gonna teleport there real quick. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna teleport there to Firelight Bay. Tell you where it is. It's near the icebergs. And from here, main island is right there. So if you have the compass where I'm facing at, I think. Okay, so west is main island, east is Firelight Bay. So now, if you find a guy with a campfire, it looks like it looks just like the main island, but like where you always spawn at, but it's not. So when you find a guy here, you can talk to him. Then he's gonna give you the fire tool. Then you should have it. Okay, and next time I will tell you how to get the fire extinguisher. Okay, goodbye.